traveled in a small aircraft, this is what we're doing. Okay? We're walking towards our plane. Look at all the cute little planes, y'all. Baby.
Yo.
We're going to meet our flight. This is why it's so important that that woman was so strict with the damn weight. Little airline. So this is our plane. This is us walking around the plane. You see our bags, babe? Better check for our bags. Alright guys, so we're headed to Antigua. Oh, hi my friend! So we're headed to Antigua, guys, and we're about to board the plane. This is how we do it, old school island style. Now we're about to go eat. That's Big Belly Tony. All right.
You know what, dude? What's happening?
Talk up yourself, bro. Talk up yourself.
That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I control both.
The madman. Waiting on everybody else to come so we could go and eat. 3 cars rolling out. We're giving you guys real island life right now. You know, real island life. Okay. All right. Cause y'all. The head hurting, and we got fans. Okay, so we showing you a real island life. Yep. We don't have no AC in this house. Fans. Okay, I'm grateful for the fans though. Going to dinner. So we've come to this place before like 5 years ago, and we're finally making it back. When we came, they had like live music. And it was a lot of fun here, but now we're just coming for dinner. This unconditional, for all, this unconditional love I got for you. Good morning, guys. Sorry that we didn't get to come back yesterday because listen, we had to pick up the rental car, and this is like real island living. Like even the rental car situation is not like renting cars like if I were to go to Jamaica or even St. Thomas. Like they have a briefcase with paperwork like already printed out, and like, you know, it's a lot of manual processes. So look at these fools behind me. As people walk through, that's the bro.
You know, ladies, say what's up.
And then babe back there trying to put his clothes on, his aunts, all of that stuff. We're about to leave, so catch y'all later. Peace. So we want to take you guys along with us here for a funeral in Antigua. The funeral is today, Friday, and right now we're about to make a quick run on the road to come back to get ready to go to the funeral. Turn around, Tony. So guys, I know y'all see this in the previous Antigua vlog, but we walk in the same street again.
That's right, that's right.
And I got a baby.
We go on. No, you went around?
Hello.
I remember seeing that.
Can you don't watch our vlogs?
Yeah, I do, man.
Family.
Morning.
Morning.
What's up? Guys, so I'm waiting here at Travis's cousin's house. They're setting up for the repast. I'm about to get my hair cornrowed so I can wear this wig. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Hey guys, welcome back. So we properly state we were here for a funeral. The funeral has just ended the service and now we're at the burial ground. So I didn't want to film earlier out of respect for like everyone. So we're gonna go to the burial ground now and then the repast. So let's go do that. Hubby's waiting for me still. So we're in Antigua, guys. Oh, here go the bus pulling up with the church folk. That's all the people on the bus. Coming off the bus. Hello. Hey, Uncle Miley.
And we commit the Spirit, oh our Father, together with every sacred interest of our hearts. And tonight,
Good morning everyone, and we're back in Antigua. Now we're going to the market, me, hubby, and my mother. Say hi, mama. Hi. See how she cute? Anyways, we're on the hunt for local fruits and vegetables, because while we're here we gotta eat all the good stuff. So come with us as we go to the market. Heading to the market. Jelly. Soft jelly. That one got soft jelly? There you go, mom. Oh, no. It was dark earlier.
You want what?
Pineapple lady. Okay, I'll take this one. $5 pound?
that's $6 a pound. So,
$6 a pound? Okay, so $24.
So I have to pay you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You happen to take this bag? You have more bags?
Yes, please.
Okay. So $4 a pound, yeah?
4 pounds. $6
$6 a pound.
So that's $24.
Alright, money man. Thank you very much. Oh wait, this one has 2 heads. It's twins. It's a sign.
I don't get twins.
Oh my gosh.
That's property. Take that. Take that.
You
To me,
can
that.
get twins. Babe, how we pick a pineapple with 2
I choose
heads?
the one for you.
She said pick that one right
Yeah.
there. Wow.
And they gave $2 discount, babe.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, come take
And let me
take a
tell
picture
you,
with
you're good to go.
I'm coming on. Wow, how much for a phone? $8. Okay. market still. The rain fell. It's still drizzling a bit, but we're getting some good stuff. Absolutely some good things. Babe is waiting to get some corn, some roast corn. So we're about to eat that. We've been filling our bellies the whole time, but my belly's still empty, so we're waiting for the corn. Oh, that's yours. It's good. Look at babe coming. Thank you, cute enough. Thank you, cute enough. Afternoon, guys. So we're leaving the house right now to head to the beach because the rain did us dirty today. We were supposed to be at the beach all day, and obviously it is 2:30 and we're just heading to the beach. So come with us. We're at the beach. We're at the beach. About to be dope. We're ready? Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this?
No, I don't want to take my clothes. No.
Let's her take off our clothes.
Oh yeah, let me help you. All right.
Guys, look how beautiful this sunset is. Like, so beautiful. We just finished swimming. All the family came, and we're getting ready to head back to the house. But I just wanted you guys to see how mystic God is. Like, look at this. Huh? So mystic. So freaking mystic, y'all. This is ridiculous. The day done. What you got to say? What you guys say?
It was fun, man.
Yeah.
The water was nice, right?
The water was good. It was fun.
They're back like, really?
I don't beat them with it.
What you guys
You
say?
see the one when the dude make his
Big
his
up
partner
every
put his hand
time.
in the
DJ Max in the house.
He had the bucket and he was like,
Alright.
he was struggling.
Jeremy, you got nothing to say?
If he's good to be back in Antigua,
He dropped with 2 hands, the pilot 53.
around my family. Being blessed is a blessing, you know.
And he fell another
AXA.
What's that?
man ain't got nothing better to do.
Peace.
Okay guys, the day is done. As you can see, the sun is setting. It's beautiful. We're about to head back to the room, or I mean our house,
Mommy, mommy.
because we're tired and ready to go to sleep. She's on the phone.
You got my wallet in there.
Anyways, peace out guys. Look at how mystic the sky is. Babe, look at me. Babe. You see that?
Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Sandals. This was amazing. I'm glad I fought for us to come. Because if we all alone, it would have been sleeping all day.
Believe it, yeah, ready to turn up. Telling you.
Well, I'm turning up tonight. I ain't playing no games with y'all. But I stay home.
That's probably one thing.